It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a hop in the ride. Just suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down. Dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My bitch don't kill me.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. We are about to do another wig review. You guys know, another week, another wig. You guys, this unit is from Hairvivi. Of course, when your lace look like this, you already know it's from Hairvivi. Hold on, let me lift my camera up a little bit. When your hair look like this, you know it's from Hairvivi. So, oh my gosh, this color, I can deal with this color, y'all. So I am about to install this unit. First of all, the new packaging from Hairvivi is like, I feel like you're getting a designer, like a high-end designer wig. The box is so luxe. It's gray and gold. I had to come and show you guys this. I don't normally show boxes that much because a box is a box, okay? But girl, you get everything is so luxe. Here's the bag. This bag here, which is very nice and high quality. It comes with, like, this is a designer, girl. I feel like I'm opening a Louis Vuitton package. Here's a different shade of a lace. This is Cappuccino. I think I am Cappuccino. So I got my lace color in Cappuccino, but they also have Mocha. Girl, look at the look, like everything is branded. All the care instructions. Girl, look at the flyer. This is giving, I don't know, but I never had a hair company. Like, even the tissue paper has Hairvivi on it. I just feel like it comes with all that. They even sent me a little necklace that has a T on it, which is really cute. That came in this little bag. Girl, it's just a vibe. I don't even know what this is, but wow, I never had a wig that comes with so much. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and install this unit. It is so beautiful. It is really, really pretty. So no shedding. Like, this hair is just beautiful. So this is going to be really easy. I'm going to install my unit with, girl, I got a piece of hair stuck to my lip gloss. It's driving me crazy. Alright. So I'm going to be installing my unit, of course, with my Erica J glue. This is the Hold Me Down adhesive. Now, one thing with Hairvivi, you don't have to glue this unit down if you don't want to. It comes with a strap, like an adjustable strap in the back, that you can literally wear this as a glueless unit. But you guys know me, I'm going to install it the way that I normally do, which I always glue it down because I just love the melt. But if you don't want to install it, like, can we take a moment of silence to look at this lace? I always tell y'all, if you are getting married or if it's your birthday and you really want your hair to look like the best it can look, I always say get Hairvivi. Like, I always, if I want my hair to look like, I always save my Hairvivi wigs. I would never sell any of my Hairvivi wigs because these are like my favorite wigs, and I feel like if I want my hair to really slay, it'll always be with the Hairvivi wig. So I'm definitely keeping this. And look at this color. It's just such a classy type of color. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. Let's cut the ear tabs off, you guys. I'm gonna really concentrate when it cut my ear tabs off because this is something that I suck at. I don't do that well, and I want to do it well. Guys, so I did go ahead and cut the ear tabs off, so they're pretty off. So I'm going to go ahead and push my hair to the back so I can like really pay attention on my lace. Oh my gosh, I love me a Hairvivi wig. Like, I just love me a Hairvivi wig. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the Hold Me Down by Erica J. And I'm also going to be using the Even Wonder Lace Bun, the black one, okay? So you guys can find all these products in my Amazon store. I'll leave everything that I use as far as like tools and stuff and like adhesive spray and stuff like that on my Amazon store. I'll leave it linked down below for you guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to push it back. Push it back. I'm going to wipe around the hairline because we don't want any type of makeup on this part. We want this part to be very makeup free, just so our wig can last longer. Okay, so now I'm gonna just take my glue. Y'all know the routine. I'm gonna do I'm going to a concert this weekend and I'm gonna wear this hair, so I want this to last me for about a week. So I want to make sure I use enough adhesive on this unit because I'm going to keep this on for about 5 or 7 days. So we're going to do 1 layer of this and then we're going to do about 3 layers of this, okay? So once I'm done and it dries, so I'll do this first and then I'm going to spray this over it, let it dry, spray it again, let it dry, spray it again, let it dry. Okay, so I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. I always start, when it comes to my units, I kind of do the front first. One thing about Hairvivi lace, it's going to melt really quick. So you have to kind of move fast with their lace because it's going to melt really quick. So you can actually feel the glue and the lace kind of bonding together. I'll just take the glue. Applying the lace, your placement is very important. If I don't have my lace on right, like if it's not positioned right on my face, it looks crazy. So I'll like take it off and do it over, start over, which I don't want to have to do that. So now that it's on pretty tight, I am gonna just take a little bit of this spray, not a lot, and I'm gonna just put it around the hairline before I tie it up. Okay, so let's do that, and then we're gonna tie it up with our band, our little elastic band, for 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and cut it and make it really cute. This install always takes me less time installing these units from Hairvivi because I don't have to pluck. Mind you, I have not washed this hair or plucked this hair or dyed this hair. Like, I haven't did anything. I haven't bleached the knots. This is straight out of the pack, okay? Alright guys, so it's been about not even 10 minutes, like 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. Okay you guys, so I pretty much cut all the lace off of the unit. So right now I'm just hot combing it back. It look a little weird right here because I took all the makeup off my forehead, and I'm just hot combing it down a little bit and then let it out. So this is how the lace is looking right now, with no baby edges, no nothing. So if you want to go for this clean girl aesthetic, you definitely can. Not clean girl aesthetic, girl. The like very effortless look with no baby hairs. You could definitely go for that type of look. It's really cute. These curls are so light and airy. I'm gonna pull this down in the back a little bit. But yeah, this is such a beautiful hairstyle. But I'm gonna put like 2 little baby hairs right there. I can't help it, y'all. I know some people like, Bree, you don't need the baby edges. I know, but I just like that. But I love you guys know, I know my hair is always in this way, but this is what I feel comfortable with. But y'all did see how you could wear it with the part in the middle as well, and that'll be a really cute vibe because the blonde little pieces of hair is right on the side. But what I did was just do a flip over method like I always did. I'm gonna keep these curls just like this. I'm not gonna do nothing more. I probably cut a little bit more layers in it, just so it can be a little like shaggy. This hair is not too full, so if you're looking for something that's a very lightweight and airy, this will look really good, gorgeous in the summertime as well. But I'm just gonna cut a little bit of choppy little pieces in this unit, but you don't have to, and it'll still look just as good. But I like my hair to be a little bit more choppy. I love a layer look. But Hairvivi don't play. And I just put 2 little baby hairs. And what I molded my hair, because I always mold my hair with like some type of edge control right on the root, so it can be really, really flat. I always do that. I just take my Style Factor edge control and do my, like, put a little bit around the hairline so it can be super, super flat. I like my hairline to be like super flat. Some people like it to look like voluminous around the hairline, but I like mine a little bit on the flat side. So yeah, this hair is so beautiful, y'all. And as far as the baby edges, I just did a little bit. So now I'm gonna I have to touch up my makeup, and I'm probably gonna put a little dry shampoo in this hair just so it can, because this hair is a little on the silky side. I would say it's a little on the silky side. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little dry shampoo in it, and then I'll fix my makeup at the top, up at the top. So let me do that and we'll be right back. By the way, guys, it's a new week. It's a new wig. This unit is so adorable. It's giving bedroom vibes, bed hair vibes, no curls, just beautiful, nice wave. And this color is to die for. This is by Hairvivi. I will be doing a hair review on this unit really, really soon, but it's so airy and fluffy, and I love this color.